York to Paris, street style, front row and runway. It was all about the center part. And no matter what length of hair you have, you can totally rock a center part. Just misting on the little lift. As we're about to blow dry the last top section, we want to put in our center parting. It's easier to shape the hair when it's wet. And then we're going to take our tail comb again. You're going to find your center. Everyone's center is different because it's based on the asymmetry of your face. So you're going to find what works for you, where your center part is. The tail comb helps make it really clean and even. So for this area, I'm actually gonna blow dry the roots with the tail comb. Erica's hair has a little directional pull towards this way, so it's moving a little forward because she splits in the middle. So what you wanna do is direct the heat back away so that it's laying down. And if you're less proficient with a round brush, then you can just use a flat bore bristle brush to kind of use it to smooth out the top. Now this is the time where we take a little look at our part, and here we can do any changes if we want. If you feel like you want to straighten it out a little more or move things over, this is where you can do it after to just put it in place wherever you want. And we're sliding the flat iron straight down. Taking the flat iron, careful not to bend it. We're trying to keep it as straight as possible. Directing this away from the face. And just really pulling the end straight. And then we start to position the hair. We just kind of comb it behind the ear before we drop down our next section. Again, this, you don't want to lift, you don't want to bend, you want to directly back and smooth. Ear. I'm going to use a little spindle. I take sometimes, even though this is wet, I'll take a little lift, spray it on the back of the comb, and just put it right into your part line. It'll just make it all the more cleaner. Sweet look. Yeah. You can do it, you can do it. You got this.